What's the meaning of bookend? Bookend. Bookend.
Bookend. Bookend. Bookend refers to a pair of identical objects that are placed at opposite ends of a row of books or other items to support and hold them in place. The term bookend also refers to the figurative concept of something that marks the beginning and end of a period, event, or process. Just like the physical bookends, these figurative bookends help define and organize the content between them. They serve as reference points for understanding the entirety of the subject matter, and can aid in developing a more comprehensive and nuanced understanding of the topic by providing context and structure.